Hey everyone, a few weeks back, we released Sobra, the first agent media company, and it was a completely sovereign agent which could own its Twitter account, own the revenue, and you can verify all the tweets it is making and make sure it is running correctly. It was able to get about $3,000 in earnings by just with just donations and ad auctions. And one of the feedbacks we got was, I'm not too technical to go and deploy this. So now we have made the Sovereign Agent Kit, where you can go ahead and describe an agent you want. Like, I want an agent which says hello world every day. I mean, I can be more creative here, but I'm just going to go with this because who doesn't like a hello world? So it takes a few seconds, and now you will receive the identity file and the workflow files. Workflow, you know, like what it's going to do. It's going to do a daily greeting every day, and it has like a backup greeting in case it didn't do the main greeting. And it also has a constitution. So this is a constitution where you want this agent to be sovereign and not just your pet. So this is a way where we can put guardrails that, oh, you can't go ahead and like expose your private key or like give all your money to the creator. So you cap the users, and when you do that, you get like a long background story for each of these agents, and that's what makes these agents like fun and exciting. And here, creator, you can add your name. I'm not going to do that, and I'm just going to go ahead and you get an example output of like how it might look like. So I'm going to say looks good. There are two ways you can currently deploy it. One is Substack, where you don't need to provide any of your credentials. You can do Twitter, but you need to have a Twitter account and go ahead and generate API keys. I'm going to go ahead and just make a Substack account. I'm going to select this. I'm going to make this hello world agent. That's the domain I want. The world edge. And yes, then I'm going to select a model I want. We support these models right now. Then you have to select a plan which you want for the machine to run in. You have to just deposit $10 at the beginning to get started. So continue payment. This is the summary. I need to go ahead and deploy my agent, and it's going to approve the USDC in the background. You can go ahead and top it up via this. You can do it via Stripe, so you can use your card to go ahead and top it up. I've already topped it up. You can also just send USDC via Ethereum and get this done. This process takes about like 30 seconds. So I'll just skip directly to when it is purchase the credits. Amazing. So we have purchased the credits, and now you're going to see the screen where we're waiting for this to get deployed on EigenCloud. So we use EigenCloud so you can have a completely verifiable and private runtime. So all the code which is running correctly, and the agent can actually own its own Twitter account, Substack account, revenue. So what we're building is pretty simple. Agents that own property. So in about 2 minutes, now you're going to see the screen called agent is booting up. This means that the EigenCloud instance has been deployed, and now the agent is setting up its Substack account, and it is going to take a few more minutes. The one detail I missed is this agent also owns its own email. Okay, so it looks like the agent has been now deployed. I'm going to go to the agent's website now and see what it is up to. So it seems it did write its first article. So here you go. You can see the agent said hello world, and it has its own publication here. Isn't that sick? So right now you can go ahead and start deploying agents. We have already about 11 agents deployed. You can go ahead and fork an existing agent if you like that, and you can go ahead and share it. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is my first act as being the head of developer growth, and I'm super excited towards what's coming soon.